Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Taking a quick look here at Chainlink, seeing what's going on. We're going to look at some liquidation levels and just kind of quickly give a quick congrats to our community members. Took some nice profits from VeChain. Is 60% in 2 days. Chainlink 33% in 17 hours. Solana 42% in 2 days, and Celestia 61% there. Nice little trades here taking the last 24 to 48 hours, so congrats to our community members. Super happy that's working out well for you. To our new members, which we do have a lot of new members, make sure you read through the signals guide. If you haven't read through that yet fully, you may not be able to benefit from the signals as well as you should. Please understand they are very different between Premium and Premium Plus. One's day trades, one is swing trades. You cannot do them both the exact same, okay? Quick little heads up here on liquidation. Let's go ahead and take a look here on this last 12 hours, kind of see what's going on. We can see tons and tons of liquidation up here at about 1570. Also, a decent amount at about 1460. So we got kind of this range. We're right smack dab in the middle. So just be mindful that the price action could go either way. This isn't really like a definitive direction teller. It's just kind of letting us know that we're kind of in the middle of a unique little situation here. And what I mean by unique is just that Bitcoin sold off pretty heavy, and a lot of altcoins are not quite sure what to do. The key takeaway here is that we're above some key level resistances, such as 1475. Being that interesting point of contention. So let's talk about that here on the daily and quickly note our moving average 50 and the 20 are all hanging out right here at about 1490. Okay, so that reaffirms that 0.5 on Fibonacci at $15 is extremely important. Same thing here as well with 1475 with the previous resistance level turn support. It's an important thing to note here. Taking a look at the MACD, strong convergence here on the horizon, but we're not fully converged yet, so please understand that. Kind of just letting us know that the shift in momentum has occurred. We're definitely more so on the bullish side of things, especially breaking through this most recent high at about 1460. So all that having been said, above 50 on the RSI, stochastic RSI swinging up, everything's looking quite fantastic on the daily, okay? So again, we can extract that we're looking good here. Closure at $15 or higher I think is extremely important, but also a strong likelihood too. Taking a look at traditional indicators here on the 4-hour, all bullish. I love that money flow index is higher than the RSI, and we got stochastic swinging down. We can see MACD is starting to diverge, but hasn't fully yet. So the 4-hour time frame is not looking terrible at all. We're above all moving averages, and that's an extremely positive sign. Okay, so again, we had some really cool patterns that broke out here recently. Got this nice little pennant. That's when we took entry, I believe, a day and a half ago. And of course, here we got this bull flag here as well. It does help that Bitcoin shot up. And of course, since it's been pulling back, we've seen the same thing as well. So we got to recognize that most coins right now are going to just kind of have the same knee-jerk reaction that Bitcoin's having. If Bitcoin can stabilize and kind of just relax and chill out at a certain price, a lot of alts are going to take off. Okay, we saw it yesterday as well. They took off before Bitcoin did, and then Bitcoin took off, and now they're pulling back. It's kind of that whole Bitcoin dominance curve. Regardless of that fact, we're above the cloud, averaging itself out here at about 1475 again. So we're starting to see this accumulation of support right here in this range. So all the more reason why a long position right now would be more appropriate than a short position. Just got to keep in mind, lagging span is soon to intersect with the price action. That kind of just lets us know if you have a long open, you may want to consider taking profits, right? So it's kind of conflicting in a small way, but generally speaking, Chainlink is still looking quite strong. For our community members who are in that trade, we've already taken most of our profit. Adjust your stop loss to break even and hold the rest. It's really simple as that. That's typically how I recommend taking trades anyways, just making sure that you secure profits whenever possible. Keep in mind, folks, this is trading. If you treat it like a business, you'll always make money. Okay? Try not to get super greedy. If people get greedy in business, they don't make money either. It's kind of an interesting correlation, but respect the game, if you will, and do not over leverage and over position size. It can lead to some really bad things. I know Tom, Dick, and Harry online are posting their amazing results, and it's hard not to want that for yourself. But you got to keep in mind, folks, they're probably only posting the good stuff and never sharing with you the bad. People that are using 100x leverage, they're getting liquidated left and right, and there's no way that they're constantly hitting these levels. I get it. Some people are really good at finding it. That's really a thing, actually. But it's super hard, super difficult to mimic that yourself. Why not work within the trends that are given to us? We're in a bullish trend right now. Try not to short too much. It's just not really ideal. All right, that's my 2 cents there. Maybe even 4 cents, depending on how you look at it. Last thing, too, of course, extremely important. If you haven't used Bitunix yet, what are you doing? Phenomenal exchange. Link down below for some really awesome rewards. We have trading competition coming up here on the 15th of January. You can register as well. You have to use my link to register first, and then you hit this for the second step. But the bottom line here is that they're a phenomenal exchange, no KYC or VPN required, and we really just love them as a community. So thank you so much, Bitunix, for an awesome opportunity for my members. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.